Good morning, students. Today we'll start class 11 sets chapter. Introduction to sets is in previous video. Once you check it out, now we start one. Before going to exercise, we'll start concept of belongs to. Concept of belongs to. Concept of belongs to means if we have a set here, if A set is equals to, we'll write A, B, C, D. Now A is an element of set A. A is an element of set A. This we say that A belongs to A. Means this A belongs to, in set A, B, C, D are elements are there. This A belongs to set A. Then we can write it as B belongs to set A, C belongs to set A, and D also belongs to set A. Like this we will represent belongs to. Now if we take here, if we take E is not a element of set A. E is not an element of set A. This we say that E does not belongs to set A. This we will write it as a E does not belongs to set A. E does not belongs to set A will write. See here, if A is an element of a set A means we say that A belongs to A. This means belongs to. This we read it as a belongs to. This symbol we read it as a belongs to. This means does not belongs to. Now in a set A, B, C, D are there. E is not there. So E does not belongs to set A will write. This is the concept of belongs to. Next some two important notes are there. Important notes. Important notes. One is the in a set repetition should be avoided. In a set repetition should be avoided means there should be a different element or distinct element should be there in a set. Repetition should be avoided in a set means, now if we write yellow, we will write it in a set. A set is equals to here Y E L. Here one more L is there, so here repetition should be not there. O W, like this we will write. Here repetition should not be there. Repetition should be avoided or distinct elements should be there in a set, we can say. Now one more point is in a set does not matter. In a set order does not matter. We will write in a order does not matter in a set. Does not matter in a set means, now we will write A is equals to 1, 2, 3. This A set we can write it as a 3, 2, 1. This order does not matter. If the elements is there means we can say this and this sets are equal. This is the important two notes and concept of belonging belongs to. Now we'll go for exercise. Now we will go for exercise 1.1. Now we will go for exercise 1.1. Now we will go for exercise 1.1. See here, which of the following are sets justify your answer. First question, what is there? The collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. Beginning with the letter J, how many months are there? One is, if you take set A, one is January, and one more is June, and one more is July. These 3 months are started with the beginning with the letter J. If you ask anyone, they'll say same answer. It is not vary with the one person to person, so it is well defined. It is well defined. Therefore, it is a set. Therefore, it is a set. If you ask anyone, means same answer it will come. So it is a well defined and it is a set. The collection of a 10 most talented writers of India. See, the collection of a 10 most writers of India means 10 most talented. If you ask in my perception, I will tell some names. If you ask in your perception, you will tell some names. So it is not well defined. Why? Because it is vary from person to person. So it is not well defined. It is not well defined because it vary from person to person. Therefore, it is not a set. It is not a set. Next question. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of world. See here, best cricket batsman of a world. Best batsman means this is also it's vary from person to person. For some person, some cricketers are the best, some other person, some cricketers are the best. So here we can't say 11 best cricketers. We can say, but perception will be different. Some person will say some name, other persons will say other names. So it is not well defined. It is not well defined. It is not well defined because it vary from person to person. Therefore, it is not a set. It is not a set. Next, see the collection of all boys in your class. See the collection of all boys in your class. If you ask who are the boys in your class, means you can identify your class boys. Yes, all of them can identify your class boys. So it is a well defined. Anyone can identify your class boys. No, so it is well defined. It is well defined. It is well defined. Anyone can identify your class boys. So therefore it is not vary from person to person. Therefore it is a set. Next, The collection of all natural numbers, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. The collection of all natural numbers means what about one natural number starts with 1, 2, 3, less than 100 means up to 99. If you ask anyone, it is a well defined. Why? Because if you ask anyone means they'll tell same answer. So it is not varying. So it is a well defined. Therefore it is a well defined object. It is well defined object. It is well defined object. Therefore it is a set. It is a set. It is a set. Next we'll see next question. See next question, what is there? A collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. See the collection of a novels written by they mention particular writer. So here we can search. If we search means this writer novels means we'll get all of them will get same books. So we can't get any different books. So it is a well defined object. Why? Because it will not vary from person to person. Therefore it is a set. Collection of a novels written by the writer Murali Premchand means they mentioned particular author. So the books will not change. It will not vary. So it is a well defined. Therefore we can say it is a set. Next, the collection of all even integer. The collection of all even integer means integers means I will write about collection of all even integers. They asked all even integers means -4, -2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. This is a well defined. It is well defined. It is well defined. So therefore it is a set. It is a set. Next, the collection of questions in this chapter. See the collection of questions in this chapter. For me also it will get same questions. For any other also, if you take example means exercise 1.1, if you take means 1.1 for me also it will get same question. For others also it will get same questions. Therefore it is a well defined. It is well defined object. It is well defined object. Therefore it is a set. Next, the collection of most dangerous animals of world. See the collection of most dangerous animals of world means someone care for cat and someone love cat. They will dangerous animals are different for different people. So we can't say this is a well defined. So it is not well defined. It is not well defined. It is not well defined. Therefore it is not a set. Most dangerous is for different peoples will say different animals are for them it will be dangerous. So it is not well defined and it is not a set. If we see next question, what is there about? Let A set they given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol. This is belongs to or it is does not belongs to in the blank space. This I explained in this video only. First, once you go through and come here, 5 dash means 5 is the element of A. So it is belongs to 5 belongs to A. 8. 8 is 8 is the element of A. No, 8 does not in the set A. So 8 does not belongs to A. 0. 0 is the 0 is in the set A. No, it does not there. So we can say 0 does not belongs to A. Next, 4 4 is in the set A. So it is 4 belongs to A. And also 2 is in the set A. So 2 is also belongs to set A. 10. 10 is in the set A. No, 10 is not here. So 10 is does not belongs to set A. Next, question 3, what is the, write the following in a roster form. We should write in the form of roster. Roster form, set builder form, I explained in the previous video. Once you go through and check it out. Now, here first question, what is there upon? X, this we read it as such that. X is such that x is an integer, x is greater than or equals to -3 and x is less than 7. How we can write about set A greater than 3 means what it will get about -2, -1, 0, less than 7 means up to less than 7 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, less than 7. And one more thing here, see, I made mistake here. X is greater than or equals to -3 means here -3 also included. -3 also included. This is the set whatever they given. This is roster form. This is whatever there, it is a set builder form. Next question. X such that x is a natural number less than 6. Natural number less than 6 means I will write upon less than 6 means natural numbers means it will start from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next question. X is a 2-digit number. This you should see. Here what they given? 2-digit number. 2-digit numbers. 2-digit natural numbers. 2-digit natural numbers. That the sum of its digits is 8. Means 2 means if you take 1, what we if we add up 1 plus 7 means we will get 8. Yes, sir. Next 2 plus 6 means we will get 8. Next 3 plus what up 5 means we will get 8. 5 plus next 3 4 4 plus 4 means we will get 8. Next 5 plus 3 means we will get 8. 6 plus 2 means we will get 8. Next 7 plus 1 means we will get 8. Next, what is there? 8 means 8 plus 0 means we will get 8. Here 8 is the natural number. So what are the sets up here? 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71, 80. These are the natural numbers, 2-digit natural numbers. If we add this natural numbers means we will get sum is 8. Next question. X is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. Divisors of 60, that should be a prime number. So we can say 60 means how we can write 30 into 2 we can write. Here 2 is the prime number we got. This we can write it as a 5 6 we can write. Here 2 is like that only. 5 into 6 we can write it as a 3 into 2 into 2. Here see 2 we came across 2 times. So here in a set we will repetition should be avoided. So divisors of 60 prime numbers will be 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, and 5. If you didn't understand means once here you check it out. Next, the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. You should remember compulsory. Set means repetition should be avoided. They should be in a distinct elements. Now E set I will write about T R I G O N. O we can't write because it is already exist in a set. N M E, T already is there, R already is there, so Y. This is the set in roster form. Next question. The set of all letters in the better, like same way, repeated word should be not there in set. So we can write it as a B E T R. This is the roster form. Next, in this if you have any doubt means you can comment it. Next, what is the rubber? Write the sets in the set builder form. Now whatever they given questions in second question, third question, what we did, they given in set builder form, we write it in a roster form. Now we should write it in the form of roster. They given in a set builder. Now we should write it in a set builder form. They given in a roster form. What is the rubber? First one, 3, 6, 9, 12. See here 3, 6, 9. 3 into 1 means we will get 3. 3 into 2 means we will get 6. 3 into 3 we can write it as a 9. 3 into 4, 12. See here 1, 2, 3, 4 are the natural numbers. We can write it as a 3n. So x is to x. X is equals to 3n. Here n belongs to which numbers? Natural numbers. N belongs to natural numbers. Then n belongs to natural numbers. Here up to 12 only is there. Up to 12 only is there. We should write condition 1 inequality. 1 is less than or equals to x and less than 5. 1 is less than or equals to n upon, sorry. 1 is less than or equals to n. For n we are considering values now. 1 is less than or equals to n less than 5. Next, 2, 4, 8, 16. 2 we can write 2 to the power 1. 4 means we can write it as 2 square. 8 means we can write it as 2 cube. 16 means we can write it as a 2 to the power 4. 32 means 2 to the power 5. 32 means 2 to the power 5. Here see 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the natural numbers. So we can write it as x such that x is equals to 2 to the power n. Here n belongs to natural numbers and condition of n is 1 less than or equals to n and less than 6. Up to 5 is there, so less than 6. Like this we can write it in a set builder form. Next one you can try same like before one now we did. 5 to the power 1 it will be equals to 5. 5 square it will be equals to 25. 5 cube is 125. 5 to the power 4 it will be equals to 625. Now this we can write it as a x such that x is equals to what above 5 to the power n. Here n belongs to natural numbers. 1 is less than or equals to n and n less than up to 4 is there, means n less than 5 we can write. Next one, what is there above? 2, 4, 6. Here see, if you observe means here natural numbers are there, even numbers are there. So x is a even natural numbers. X is a even natural numbers. Even natural numbers. Next question. 1, 4, 9 up to 100 is there. Now see, if you take 1 square means 1 only. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. Up to 10 square is 100. So here we can write it as x is equals to n to the power 2. N means natural numbers. Here say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4 like that. So here n belongs to which numbers? Natural numbers, and 1 is less than or equals to n, less than what upper 11. Why? Because up to 10 is here. Now we'll see next question. List all the elements of the following sheets. See here what is there above? First one, x, such that x is an odd natural numbers. Odd natural numbers means it will start from 1. Odd natural numbers means what upper? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. This, oh sorry, they mentioned add natural numbers, right? Okay. Add natural numbers means 1, 3, 5 and so on. Sorry, I made here, I wrote natural numbers, but they mentioned add natural numbers. Now this is, now we will see next question. Next question, what is there about? B, x is an integer. X is an integer. Here they given in a rational numbers. That is it. 1 by 2 means what you will get about? 1 by minus 1 by 2 means minus 0.5. 9 by 2 means what we will get? 2 1s are 2 4s are 4.5. In between what are the numbers will be there appa? If you take number line means here 0, minus 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here we should write x is a what? Which number? X is an integer. X is an integer. Here see, if you take number line means 0.5 it will be in between minus 1 and 0. So we can take 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Up to 4.5 is there. Less than 4.5 means 4 is also included because it is a integers. We will see next question. See here next question, what is there upon? X such that x is an integer, x square is equals to 4. X is an integer. If we take less than or equals to, you should get 4 we should get. If we take 0 means 0 square means we will get 0 only. It is less than or equals to 4 only. Now if we take 1 means 1 square it will be 1. It is also less than or equals to 4. Next if we take minus 1 means minus 1 whole square means what we will get? 1 only. It is also less than or equals to 4. If we take 2 means 2 square it will be become 4. 4 is also less than or equals to they gave. So 4 also we can take. Next minus 2 whole square also it will get 4. 4 is less than or equal. Next, if it integer means 3 also we can take. 3 square means what you will get upon? 3 square means you will get 9 you will get. 9 is greater than 4, so it is not belongs to this set. So here what we can write? 0, 1, -1, -2, 1, 2. This we can write it as a -1, sorry, -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. These are the sets of C. If you didn't understand means this here once you check, you will get to know. Now X is to X is a X such that X is the letter in the word loyal. This is only loyal means I will write up a repetition should be not there. So L O Y A. Now next question. X is in a month of the year not having a 31 days. Which month does not have 31 months? One is February, March is there, April, next April, June, June, next question. X such that X is a month of a year not having a 31 days. So 31 days not having months are February, April, June, September and November. Next question is X is a consonant in a English alphabet which precedes K. Which precedes K means before K. So before K means these are the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So in this A and E are vowels, leaving that set remaining B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J are the consonants of the set of the F. Next we will start question number 6, that is match the following. Here first what is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 6. X is a prime number, first option is there. So this is prime number means 6 and 1 is there. So it can't be. So X is a natural number less than 10. Here even number is there. So this is not. Next, X is a natural number and divisor of 6. Divisor of 6 means what we will get upon? 2, 3 and 1, 6 will get divisor of 6. 6 is divisible by 1, 2, 3 and so 6. So it will matches with the C. Next what is there upon? 2, 3. Here see X is a prime number and divisor of a 6. See here divisors of a 6 what we got? 1, 2, 3 and 6. In this 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Here they given X is a prime number. So prime numbers means it will be matches with the A. Next MATHEIC means here it is there. See X is a letter of the word mathematics. X is the letter of the word mathematics. C is the letter of the word mathematics. So it is matches with the D. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. X is a odd natural number less than 10 means it will be matches with the B. Today we solved exercise 1.1. So tomorrow we'll start types of sets. Thank you everyone.